An Inquiry Concerning Human Understanding by David Hume, written in 1748. The main message of the book is, we can never assume that an effect is the result of a certain cause, or that a certain cause will have a definite effect. Human likes to see patterns and interpret stories from events, but there is no causal necessity between objects. David Hume is considered the greatest British philosopher, and through his influence on figures such as Kant, one of the major names in philosophy of the last 250 years. Through his first book, A Treatise of Human Nature, fell dead-born from the press, hardly noticed by anyone. It was a remarkable achievement, especially since it was written in his 20s. He followed John Locke and George Berkeley in saying that experience, or the impression that come to us through five senses and not reasoning, should be the basis of philosophy. Foreshadowing what the philosopher of science Thomas Kuhn would say in our times, Hume observed that all sciences have a relation, greater or less, to human nature. Neither we can say that because one thing appears to be true, it is always true. In fact, Hume claims much of human knowledge is simply a reliance on custom, or accepting what everyone else says is true. Custom does not deliver truth, it merely makes life easier. It allows us to construct a meaningful world without having to recreate it through the senses anew every second. Be a philosopher, but amidst all your philosophy be still a man. As this quote suggests, Hume did not have great faith in philosophy itself. After spending a merry few hours with his friend, he would sometimes go back to in his room and read things he had written and note that they seemed ridiculous.